Oh, it's installed and it's running. When it's operating properly, there should be a lot more foam, a lot more bubbles. You should get up to the point where up here they come over that thing and they slowly, by the time they get up here, the bubble should be a little bit on the brown tingy side, and it should slowly fill this cup up with really brown dirty water, which is removing excess waste proteins and fats that the fishes have excreted, and every living thing in the aquarium excretes, from the snails, hermit crabs, everything, including all the natural bacteria. These usually take a few days to start their so-called skimming action. When they work, it's pretty cool, and it really does. It fills up with real scuzzy little brown water, and that little top thing just comes right off, and you just dump it out. And they make much bigger ones, much more expensive ones. Right now I'm happy it's not leaking, I'm happy it's working, and it's not noisy. The foam production there seems pretty... Well, we'll just have to see how that goes tomorrow. I suppose it just takes time for it, because it's kind of sort of... You chemists know exactly more what's going on. But it's the high foam, and what happens is each of those bubbles, it makes like a binary layer, sort of, and like the proteins stick to one side of the bubble and the fats stick to the other side. And ideally, those bubbles should be a lot smaller, and there should be a lot more of them, and it should fill this up. But like an air valve that does bring in air. It's fully open. I know with the other ones I've had, you slowly adjust it a little bit to close it up a little to make it foam more. Let me see if I can do that and see any noticeable effect. Slowly closing it. Three-quarters. It's fully closed. This is where it doesn't seem to have any effect whatsoever. And these are a really good thing to have for saltwater aquariums. It won't work with freshwater for some reason. See, foam in freshwater, like by lakes or by a dam or something, that's really dirty. It's pretty rare, and these just won't work with a freshwater aquarium. The fish would probably all be dead before the water be that dirty. So they're never used on freshwater aquariums. But they're a good thing to have on saltwater aquariums. Kind of cool. It's another gadget. And they do have a good quantity of fish in here. There's Mr. Pipefish. You got some brine shrimps. I try to get him some brine shrimp every day now. There's a little azure damsel. Yeah, nobody cares about the filter. We want to see the fish. Yeah, chromis, clownfish, domino, Clark's little birdfish daughter. Yes, Dottie. Let me get some of these herms in here. There's a honey here. Yeah. Sipping this in for food. There's about 6 or 7 of them. That's about the smallest one. Dottie. Killer, you? How you doing? Clownfish. Everybody's healthy. Everybody's happy. Want to keep them that way. So, messing with stuff takes my mind off of me. Which is always a good thing. Arm's good. That's a lot better today, right now. So, be nice for a good night of sleep. Sleep more than 2 hours. Life is good. I am not complaining. Oh yeah, didn't even notice that. It's a big hermit crab right there. So. Okay, reach around and turn them around, but yeah. There's the big carnivorous snail. He's in there somewhere. It's not important. But anyway, life's good. The guppy tank. Oh, hermit. And it goes fast. Yeah. My little ghost shrimp tank. It's got some little Daniels in there. These are freshwater. It's got those 2 species of Daniels in here. And the ghost shrimps. These guys are really cheap. These are like 49 cents each. And I've got some little fancier shrimps in here, little red and blue shrimps, but they're all still hiding. And there's plenty of hiding places for them, and I guess that's okay. So, anyway. And, the big freshwater tank, similar capacity, water capacity. And those 3 guys. Oh, and Pearl Daniels, big old eel. He's cool. He eats like a red worm every day. Almost the size of a small night crawler. And I give him frozen bloodworms. He likes them too. But he will not eat plate food. My imported German fish food is not good enough for him. Love the cardinal tetras. Anyway. It's kind of neat. You can see the reflection of one tank. Yeah. Anyway, y'all have a good night.